Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. Do you know how they identified what the sun is made of or what the stars are made of? Standing on Earth, identifying what the sun is made up of is a difficult task, but then the scientists could achieve it by using a simple experiment in spectroscopy. Robert Bunsen is credited with the invention of the Bunsen burner, with an antidote for arsenic, and with also the invention of a spectroscope. It's a big word, but very simple. When a spirit lamp is a lamp which burns with alcohol in it, ethanol or some source of alcohol in it, has dissolved salts in it. Let's say a sodium salt. Sodium chloride is your common salt. When it has dissolved salts in it and the flame is passed through a prism with some filters and all, which is supposed to be the spectroscope here, when it is passed, it gives out yellow light. Sodium emits yellow light. If it is potassium, it gives out violet light. If it is cesium, it gives sky blue light. Like that, every element has a light which it emits. This light is called the signature of that element. So if there is a spirit lamp which has sodium salts dissolved in it and the flame is incident onto a spectrometer, the spectrometer emits yellow light which can be seen on a screen. Now, the same thing applies again. If behind the flame there is a strong yellow light already present, then the white light, from the white light, the sodium takes away the yellow light. It can give out yellow light, it can take in yellow light. So it takes off yellow light. If there is sodium present behind the light, then the light which has sodium in it can take away the yellow light, and wherever the yellow light was supposed to be seen on the screen, there instead of yellow light we see a dark band, a band which is just dark, no yellow. This is called Kirchhoff's law. A substance can emit a particular light or it can absorb a particular light. Now, how is this useful in identifying the elements present in the sun? The sun is a source of light, very, very hot, gooey ball of gases, and the center of the sun is much hotter than all the atmosphere around the sun. So what happens is, when you are reading light from the sun directly, you get a continuous spectrum like this of all the elements that it has. Now, if you want to know exactly what it is made up of, what you do is, the center of the sun emits light and the surrounding of the sun is cooler than the center of the sun, and the surrounding atmosphere has some elements in it. So this light, when it gives out light into the surrounding, the elements in the surrounding will absorb the light which they like. Sodium absorbs yellow, potassium absorbs violet, cesium absorbs light blue. Like that, each element absorbs the light which it can absorb, and wherever that element is present on the spectrum, it leaves a dark line. So wherever the dark line is there, you know that that element is there in the sun. So therefore, that element, instead of giving out light, is forming a dark line. Simple. Simple if you can understood it, or if I have explained it well. If an element is present, it takes away the light, that color of light which it emits from another source of light, and gives a dark band on a screen. Wherever the dark band is present, you will know that that element is present in the vapors. I don't know. I hope I have made it simple for you. Thank you.